Meaning of eaves.
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 Eaves. Eaves refers to the part of a roof that overhangs the walls of a building. It is an important architectural feature that helps to protect the walls and foundation of a building from rainwater and other forms of precipitation. The eaves also create shade, which can help to keep the interior of a building cool and comfortable in hot weather. In addition, the eaves provide a decorative element to a building's exterior, and can be designed in a variety of different styles to match the overall aesthetic of the structure.